Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow the automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here the first step we have to take is to enter my phone to actually turn on the developer options. So right here, let's scroll down and localize the build number, and right now keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. In my case, I don't have to do that because I have already activated my developer options, but that's okay. After activating, just go back and scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on the developer options, and if you want to learn more about the developer options, simply check our tutorial about it. So, as I said, let's enter the developer options, and all we have to do is to localize this automatic system updates option. As you can see, in my case, it is turned on, but if you've got it turned off, simply tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will be allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will actually have a chance to download and apply the updates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.